as 𝙬𝙬 unveils its upcoming flagship right here, right now. We are here to collaborate. We are here to pave the way for a successful and a prosperous future together.
After the count of 3, we will kickstart the 2023 ELBA's Dealers Convention. So right here, dealers, partners, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the year 2023 ELBA's Dealers Convention. ELBA! Right here, reimagine!
For over 4 decades, 𝙬𝙬 brand has been a part of every Malaysian household. Solid, reliable, and always working tirelessly.
Our theme today is 𝙬𝙬 Reimagine. This is our call for action, and it consists of reigniting our purpose. So we're going to continuously expand business scope to occupy a leading position. Glad to inform that 𝙬𝙬 have claimed as consecutively 4 years #1 𝙤𝙤𝙀 brand in Malaysia since year 2020.
In this upcoming year, we will bring more technology, especially on the 𝙤𝙀𝙀.
We 𝙬𝙬 are presenting to you a new era of instant water heater that will make you enjoy your bath.